After having Windows troubleshoot a network error for you, you might have come across this message. Now, if you have the same problem, here's how you can fix it. Now, before you launch into any specific troubleshooting, it is always a good idea to restart your equipment first. Now, there's a chance that this will clear up your issue in a few moments. But if that did not work, review proxy settings in Windows. To access it, open Settings, go to Network or Internet, switch to Proxy, then make sure that Use a Proxy Server near the bottom is turned off. Now you have to leave Automatically Detect Settings on if it is already. Then after this, try reconnecting to the network again, and then try to get online. Next, run the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, choose Network Adapter from the list, and then walk through the troubleshooter. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the following error message in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.